Come on, baby. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage. Today we're working back on the Mustang. We're going to be sanding it and getting it prepped for paint. So the first thing we're going to do is knock it out with 320. So I'm going to sand it down with a DA on top and then block everything out and then hit it with 600. So let's start sanding. So what I did there was I hit it with 320 with the block, and then as you can see, this dual action sander's got a soft pad on it. So after you just get rid of all the 320 scratches with the 320 with the DA, and that way it takes shape of what you just blocked out, so it doesn't flatten the surface or nothing. It just takes the shape. As you can see, the soft pad does the work. So now what I'm gonna do is hit this car with a 600 grit sandpaper. We're gonna sand everything that we are gonna be painting, as well as the blend spots on the car. So right now, throw on a piece of 600 grit sandpaper on this dual action sander and hit the car with 600. So let's get it. Alright guys, so the car's ready to go. I'm gonna start taping it up for paint. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a time lapse. Let's get it. side behind me finally finished the paint job on the Mustang, and for an at-home paint job, I think it came out pretty good. There's a little bit of dust here and there, which is expected at a home paint job. But in the next video, we're gonna do a full paint correction, sand all the dust out, buff everything out so it'll be looking slick and ready to go. But right now, let's untape the car and I'll throw it all up on a time lapse, and let's check out the final result of the paint job. Alright guys, so thank y'all for watching another video from Upstate Garage. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel down below, and I can't wait to start working on the Mustang, doing the full paint correction on it. And let me show you a little sneak peek of something out here. If y'all haven't seen one of my reels yet, check out the ZL1 right there. That's gonna be coming up real soon, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll be sure to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.